Welcome to your chemistry lab. Today I am starting question paper of DTP 008 and answer and solution of DTP 003 in this video. I think my uploaded daily practice paper program are helps to you to grow your concept and what your stage in this moment. I will say you don't hesitate to give the answer in DTP question paper. If you any need, I help you. So don't hesitate answering the DTP question paper in the comment box. I am helped to grow your ability to overcome 650 plus code in NEET UG. Stay with me. I told you everything how to overcome. Now you start watching in whiteboard. Now DTP 003 published date 31st May 2021. First question, identify the correct order of the easy of dehydration of the following compound. And option is this and answer is B. Rate of dehydration directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Now back to question. Here dehydration means removal of water and it's form a carbocation. Here answer is B. Now in 3 form allylic carbocation, 2 resonance allylic carbocation. In 2 here also be allylic carbocation. In 1 it form 2 degree carbocation. So in 3 allylic carbocation is more stable. So order is B. So it is clear now and I will go next question. In this question, to determine CN bond length, alpha and beta position, which CN bond length is more? Now I will go to answer. Now your answer is A. Alpha position of NO2 comes out a plane due to ortho effect. Or what is ortho effect? Ortho effect is two bulky group are repulsion ortho position and here alpha CN bond is greater because it form a partial double bond character in beta CN due to resonance. So it is clear now. Now question 3. Which of the following carbonium ion is the most stable? Here answer is D. Positive charge at bridgehead carbon cause instability due to Berdic rule and 3 degree carbocation is more stable. Now back to question. Here first one option A is 3 degree but here bridgehead carbon is attached and second is 2 degree carbocation and third is also bridgehead carbocation. It is unstable and option D here no bridgehead are present. So here it is a 3 degree carbocation so it is stable now. Now I will go fourth question. Here the hyperconjugative stability of tertiary butyl cation and 2-butene respectively are due to option given that and answer is A. Answer is A. Spreading out charge by overlapping of an empty p orbital with an adjacent sigma bond is called hyperconjugation. This is you know and this overlap that is the hyperconjugation delocalize the positive charge on the carbocation and spreading it over the large volume and this stabilize and destabilize the carbocation. That is here picture I will see you. This here picture is so vacant p orbital and remove H plus ion and that is the hyperconjugative hydrogen and tertiary butyl carbocation has one vacant p orbital hence it is stabilized by sp conjugation hyperconjugation. So it is clear now. And next question 5. In the following carbocation H and CH3 that is the most likely to migrate to positively charged carbon is and this option are given below and its solution is answer is D. Here 1 2 3 4 5 and C2 hydrogen is migrate and form a stable carbocation through resonance and form a stable carbocation through resonance. Now it is clear now. And next question. Question 6. Which of the following is anti-aromatic? Cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclopentadienyl cation, cycloheptadienyl cation and anthracene. Now answer is B. Again I back to question B. B is cyclopentadienyl cation. Now explain it. First one cyclopentadienyl anion. It is obey Huckel rule that is 4n plus 2 pi delocalized electron. Here 6 pi electron is present that is n equals to 1 and it is aromatic. And second one cyclopentadienyl cation, here 4 n pi electron is present because here positive charge, no electron, it is electron deficient at this point and it is obey the 4 n pi rule, so it is anti-aromatic. In cycloheptadienyl cation is also aromatic, it obey the Huckel rule, and also anthracene obey the Huckel rule, so option B is right. So next question 7. Which one of the following substituent at position in most effective in stabilizing the phenoxide ion? Option are, and answer is C. Now back to question. C is COCH3. And why? Now solution. At stability of anion directly proportional to minus I effect and minus M effect, and inversely proportional to plus I effect and plus M effect. So CH3 is plus H effects, means hyperconjugative effect. OCH3 is plus M effect and COCH3 is minus M effect, and CH2OH is plus effect. So it is clear now. Most stable anion directly proportional to minus M effect. So COCH3 is a right answer. And next question 8. The decreasing order of acidic character of the following. Here option is now, and solution is A. Now back to question. A is 1 is more acidic than 2, then 3, then 4. Why? Because of, back to answer, acidic strain directly proportional to ortho effect, and acidic strain directly proportional to minus I effect, minus M effect, and inversely proportional to plus M effect and plus I effect. So it is clear now, and answer is A. And next question number 9. Question number 9. What is are not true regarding the reactive intermediate form in a reaction? And option are given. Now answer is option A. Why option A? Because reactivity intermediate are formed for very small time, cannot isolate it practically. The most stable reactive intermediate is always in large amount, hence form the major product. It is the reactive intermediate that leads to several products in the reaction. And back to question. Here first option, it is the pieces present at maxima of the activation energy diagram. Activation energy diagram means at the peak point. Here time is very short, can't determine the rate of the reaction. It is formed for infinitesimal time only, cannot be isolated practically. It is also right. And the most stable reactive intermediate lead to the formation of major product, it and also right. And responsible for the more than one product in the reaction is also right. So it is clear now, and option A is wrong. So answer is A. Now next question 10. Pyridine is less basic than triethyl amine because answer is D. And back to question. D is lone pair of electron is delocalized in pyridine. And why? The lone pair of nitrogen in pyridine is delocalized so that it is less basic than triethyl amine. So it is clear now. Now go daily practice paper program DPP 008.